Hey, what's up with the YouTube? It's your boy A Richie back with another video, man. If you ain't liking, subscribing, hit that bell button. Y'all do that right now. We out here in the colony, man. Another meet with park up front, man. Y'all see the thing out here, the garage. Hey, man. Hey, look, we got the we got the gang out here, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see Hemi Light back there, man. So y'all subscribe to Hemi Light, man. Y'all ain't is already. Y'all see that thing? Look at that. Thing hard right there. Gonna take some of these cars out, man. They got a lot of cars out here, man. I ain't been out here to this meet in a few months, man. I done missed a couple meets. Well, these meets. I done missed these a couple meets, man. So let's go check some of these cars out, man. Can't see real tall right there. Yeah, just wait. Ain't no 4x4?
No, man. What are you doing?
I don't see no 4x4.
I don't see no 4x4. Uh-oh.
I'll try the hell out that thing.
Man, got his trunk up, man. It's looking real pretty out there.
Oh, my God.
Man, you hear me like? My boy Hatch right here. Got his young brother right here. KD right there. Two-tone Savage thing right there. Man, we out here. Look at that. Got a lot of people out here today, man. Got a lot of cars to see out here, y'all. The Mustangs over there, man. Like, I ain't seen nothing but Mustangs over there. Yeah.
Sweat goat.
Sweat goat.
YT Fats.
That's what it is?
YT Fats.
Fast Sweat Goat.
Sweat
He
goat.
got YT Fats.
YT fast.
Yeah.
Fat. He put
Make sure y'all get subscribed to him, man. Right here. Like this right here. Ooh, Caesar got in there? Caesar got it. And he got a roll cage in there.
Try to get as much footage as I can before they start playing the music, too.
Facts. Yes.
My Friday thing over there, brother. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that matte black BMW. Like this, though.
Appreciate you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Yeah, man. Look at the inside. Ain't two people barely could fit in there. They would be squished up in there. Two people barely could fit in there, man. Two people can't fit in there. Who?
Tesla screen in it.
You sure do. I know they don't come like this. Chew in the cut, man.
Get the gold cone, you know what I mean?
These Porsches out here, though, y'all.
I don't know, my back is tan.
Yes, man. Look at the seats in there.
I can't drop you at all.
Rowdy Bulldog, man. Make sure y'all go try that. That spoiler on it. Another one right here. I like this color on here, too. This color. Yeah.
Haley come through and she got her lane. I'm like,
Yeah, which one? Which one? Which one? I'm taking that one. I don't know. That'd be a hard decision, man. I don't know. That right here, bro.
I'm only active when we come.
That's it?
When I go.
I'm more active on Park
I know y'all can see me in that thing right there. I can see myself in that. I know y'all can see me. I can see myself. I need one of them. I need that. Which one you picking, bro?
Huh?
Yeah, one of them.
bright color, brother.
Yeah, like,
GT3?
yeah, I told them too.
I go with this one to that one.
Mm-hmm.
That one hard too, though.
I know. That's a hard decision. You just look at them.
This one looks like it may be a little blue. The light's different. I know the light's different on there. Yeah. Oh, that's what it is.
I got the race.
What happened?
That's an RS.
All right.
It's an RS. It's not.
Ooh, I know them things fast. God.
Yeah, I'm taking this one, bro. You gotta get the other one.
I chose the other one first until you just said what that one was.
Yeah, I want this one, bro. it was hard, bro. I ain't like this. I ain't in the little Porsche and stuff like that, but this one, I like this one.
I am. I love these.
For real?
Swear.
It's my first time seeing one of these. Like this.
In the Lamborghini over there, I don't know if y'all can see him, man. He moving pretty fast in that thing. Oh, yeah, he is right there. Yes, sir. Let me zoom out. AMG thing right here. I'm both pulling up.
No, bro, that's the thing. Is like I'm like sitting here like waiting for it.
Hey.
Well, no, like I'll do it.
Got another Lambo behind you. Hey, brother. That Bentley door right there, man.
Yeah.
Those up. We over here with the McLarens. Like this one right here, this more me, man. And then the turtle thing right there. Fight on there. And then it's the hardest one right here, man. It's the hardest one right there. Price on it? Oh, man.
That ain't bad, bro. I'm coming out my pocket with that. Yeah.
Let me like say he gonna come out of his pocket, y'all, and get one of these. Man. He gonna add one of these to the club. Man.
I'm coming out my pocket and get that, bro.
Come on, man, go add it to the club, man. Look at that. Thing right here, man.
Yeah, it's that right there.
Yeah.
Well, if I could, I would have been in one hour.
Ferraris out here, man. Well, I know they got my car out here, man.
What car?
Some two-door Ferraris, man. They're like the hatchback. You never seen one of them? You don't like them?
Hatchback, Ferrari.
Two doors. It be easy to get out here.
Like it, R8.
R8. Vipers over there.
This ain't the cheap Ferrari. Big one.
458
The
Spider.
cheap Ferrari. That's a different type of level.
Easy, bro. How much?
There's them 2 seats on there.
How much is the rent one of those?
Huh? The hashtag is Benz. Woo. How long that thing is, bro? Hey, man, that's a family car.
YouTube gang over here.
Hey,
what's up?
Good, I'm good.
Got that old Ferrari thing right here, man. Hey, what movie this was in, man?
I don't know, but
One at a time.
Is it Money Type?
I know one time he had one over
Ain't still so late, man. Oh, and still hard, too, man. Still hard. See bikers behind me? Red tag. See my boy Zay right here from A to Z. You gonna change that thing up, man. Still hard, though. Still hard, though. I want to follow him on Instagram, man. I want some new rap. I want to go get inspired, man. Follow him on Instagram, man. Rap guy. GTR, man. This thing passed us on the freeway flying. Made me want one of these things, man. Oh my God. Oh man, I missed the race. Can't miss the race, man. I missed the race, man. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. I need one of these. I definitely need one. Look at this. Got the stars in the ceiling. I don't know if he got the stars in the ceiling. Oh my God. Look at that, man. Rose. Rolls Royce.
GTR right here. GTR right there. Man, where Jay is?
I don't know, there's a car right
GTR
there.
right there.
God, oh my God, bro.
What?
How these GTRs going out there? I don't know, bro. Man, you got GTRs out here everywhere, man. Everywhere. GTRs out here crazy. They're calling for the rapper right now. I don't know win that. I don't think I'm gonna go.
Hey, was that him up
Yeah, what we got? Small, man.
there?
Small
They
space.
just lights, bro, with a lot of power.
I want too many cars, man. I need some more money. I want too many cars.
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
I don't even know what are they rapping with.
Bro, you couldn't, before I got into the phone room, bro, you couldn't tell me the GTR was 100,000. Like, 100,000 for this? But I had to learn more about them.
Yeah, we got GTRs over here. Damn right there. I like the color on that though. Color.
Pretty crazy. I'm not on GTR, so.
Huh?
What was that? No,
Oh, okay.
like
I like the
cars,
color,
like
bro.
the-
Yeah, brother.
It's like basically what a GTR would have. Hey, didn't Eric have a black one?
So with it, bro.
See you,
Good.
see you redid your car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first time seeing that, man?
Cleaner.
Yeah, it look good like that. Like
I'll
it.
change it soon.
Yeah.
Hey, he had the little thing on the top of it. What's the little thing he had
Oh,
on
yeah,
top of
that
it?
little- y'all seen it?
Yeah.
I can't speed. I go fast.
I ain't never seen this many GTRs in one spot, man. Look at all. GTRs all down the road, man. Crazy, man. They brought them cars out here today. We ain't even done yet, man. We ain't even went on this side over here with the trucks and everything. Got to go check it out. Another McLaren over here. I love this color.
You stick out like a sore thumb, bro.
Hey, bro. McLaren, one of these or one of them GTRs? Man, what you think?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I'm taking this one. Which one is this?
I don't know which one it is, man, but it's one of them.
You know, he got two of them.
Cool, for real?
Yeah, he got this one, and he got like a 2018.
I don't know, man. This one look like that one right here, man.
Hey, which one is this?
What do you got on the dash? You can't dash
Oh,
with some of
okay,
it, man.
600.
No, I said I wanted one of the GTRs. No, I said I wanted the Rolls Royce too, man. I need this too, man. I need one to go. I need one too. 392 over here. Yeah, they do the Mopars, man. Be all scattered around the place, man. The Mustangs, they stick together. This side, man, we out here with the exotic cars, man. Yeah, man, they have a lot of sick cars out here today, man. Lamborghinis, GTRs, McLarens, man, Mustangs. They had everything out here, man. This is the first time that I came to this meet, man. It looked like this. All the other times it was either raining or it was cold as shit, man. But it's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all hit that bell button so y'all can see every time I post. Comment, man, if y'all got some questions or any advice or insight on anything, man, make sure y'all comment. See y'all next time.